Namaste, India. Today I am going to discuss and tell you something, the secret of the mind power, mind. You know, the most important organ is mind. And there are two hemispheres in the mind. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere. Left hemisphere is connected with the right activity of the right parts, and our right is connected with the activities of the left. It is important that both left and right part of the brain should be activated, because the left part involves skill, the right part involves memory, attention. So if you are doing more calculations, or those who are students, they need to activate both the left and the right part of the brain. We can try certain breathing techniques and also certain crisscross crawl type of yoga exercises, which are very simple, in order to activate both the parts of the brain. So today our purpose is to do very simple type of exercises which any person can do to activate right and left part of the brain. So what I am going to do, this is my right elbow, I am touching it with left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can touch the opposite feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The purpose is that I am moving left and right parts of the body. You will imagine there is a axis of symmetry which is going right from your body, as you will see if you believe or think of cutting your body into parts. Each is a mirror image of the other. So there is a axis of symmetry right from the center of the mind. You can observe it. The body posture is very important. Now certain breathing techniques which I am talking is already available to you. You already are aware of it. One is Nadi Shuddhi. Inhale from the left nostril. The longer you inhale, the better it is. Hold and exhale from the right nostril. Then you will inhale from the right, hold, exhale from the left nostril. So we can do this. You can sit in Sukhasana and do this. Here I am using a chair. I am using a chair to demonstrate it. You can take 10 rounds. So what we are doing, you can put 2 fingers on this head, and I am closing this. I will inhale from the left nostril, hold it. You can count 10 or hold for the time which you think is right for you, and exhale from the inhale from the left, hold, exhale from the right, then inhale from the right, hold, exhale from the left. You can make 10 rounds 3 times a day. This is going to help connection of the 2 parts of the brain with your mind, body, soul and heart. You can take 10 rounds of this. This is Nadi Shuddhi. The second one which I am going to do, Brahmari. What we do in Brahmari, with our the finger I am closing my ears. I will take a deep breath from my nose, and with humming sign of the B sound, I will exhale and make a humming sign from my mouth. So this is also very good technique what will give you a lot of peace, lot of mental stability, and will release the stress, because the mind, our mind is highly wired, is living in conditioned state. We want to decondition, we want to delete the cassettes which are deposited in our mind or in our conscious and subconscious mind. So you can, this is the two fingers which I am using. I am closing my ears. I am sitting on a chair. You can sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana on your yoga mat and do it. Rub your hands, work is being done, it is converted into energy, heat is produced, you can experience heat, and keep your hands on your face, on your eyes. This is a healing energy, it heals. So what I have done, I am trying to heal my mind, I am trying to decondition my mind, I am trying to delete the old cassettes, the garbage which is in my mind. I am relieving the negative energy, and I am going to activate the right hemisphere of the brain and the left hemisphere of the brain for my skills, for my use, and I can improve the quality of my life by improving the quality of breathing and doing simple yogic exercises. नमस्ते, फिर हम मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके, गुड नाइट.